Here is a fact that will change how you see money forever. 80% of millionaires were not born rich. They did not inherit their wealth. They built it. $1 at a time. One decision at a time. One rule at a time. And here is the uncomfortable truth. The difference between the rich and the poor is not intelligence. It is not talent. It is not even luck. It is a set of rules. Simple rules that the wealthy follow every single day, and the poor have never been taught. Today, you are going to learn all. Rule number 1. Pay yourself first. Most people get their paycheck and immediately start paying everyone else. The landlord. The electric company. The grocery store. The credit card bill. And whatever is left over, if anything, goes into savings. The rich do the exact opposite. The moment money hits their account, they move a fixed percentage into savings or investments. Before they pay a single bill. Before they buy a single thing. 10%. 20%. Whatever they can. The point is, they pay themselves first. Let me tell you a story. A young man named David started his first job earning $35,000 a year. Not a lot of money. But from day one. Rule number 2. Never look rich. Be rich. Walk into any luxury car dealership and look at who is buying. Most of them are not wealthy. They are people trying to look wealthy. They are financing cars they cannot afford, wearing brands they cannot sustain, living in apartments that eat 70% of their income. Meanwhile, the actual millionaire next door drives a 10-year-old car, wears simple clothes, and lives well below their means. This is called the wealth illusion. Society has trained us to believe that looking rich and being rich are the same thing. They are not. In fact, they are opposites. Every dollar you spend on looking rich is a dollar that will never make you rich. Rule number 3. Build multiple income streams. Here is a question. If your one source of income disappeared tomorrow, your job, your business, your freelance client, how long could you survive? If the answer makes you uncomfortable, you understand why this rule exists. The average millionaire has not 1, not 2, but 7 sources of income. 7. That is not a random number. It has been studied and documented by researchers who interviewed thousands of wealthy individuals. Now, that does not mean you need 7 jobs. It means you need to think beyond trading time for money. Your salary is stream 1. A side project or freelance skill, stream 2. Rule number 4. Invest before you spend. Most people think investing is something you do after you have enough money. That is the biggest lie in personal finance. The rich understand that investing is not about having a lot of money. It is about starting early and being consistent. Even small amounts, invested regularly, create massive wealth over time. This is because of one force: compound interest. Albert Einstein reportedly called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world. He said those who understand it, earn it. Those who do not, pay it. Let me give you a simple example. If you invest just $5 a day, that is the price of a single coffee, and you earn an average return of 8% per year, in 30 years you will have over $200,000. $5 a day. Now imagine if you started at 20 instead of 40. That same $5 a day becomes over $500,000. The difference is not how much you invest. Rule number 5. Value time over money. Poor people trade time for money. Rich people trade money for time. Think about that for a moment. When you are broke, you mow your own lawn, you fix your own car, you spend 3 hours cooking to save $10. And that makes sense when you are surviving. But at some point, you have to make a shift. You have to start asking one simple question. What is my hour worth? If you can earn $50 an hour at your skill, and you spend 2 hours doing a task you could pay someone $20 to do, you did not save $20. You lost $80. Jeff Bezos does not mow his own lawn. Elon Musk does not do his own laundry. Not because they are lazy, but because every hour they spend on a low-value task is an hour stolen from a billion-dollar decision. Rule number 6. Learn to say no. This might be the hardest rule on this list. Because saying no feels uncomfortable. It feels selfish. It feels like you are letting people down. But here is what nobody tells you. Every time you say yes to something that does not align with your goals, you are saying no to something that does. Yes to that expensive dinner means no to your investment account. Yes to that weekend of doing nothing means no to building your side project. Yes to lending money you cannot afford means no to your own financial security. Steve Jobs once said that focus is about saying no to the 100 other good ideas. He turned Apple into the most valuable company in the world by saying no to thousands of products and focusing on just a few. The rich are ruthless with their yes. They guard it like it is made of gold, because it is. Their time, their energy, their money, these are finite resources. Rule number 7. Think in decades, not days. The poor think about today. What can I buy right now? What feels good right now? What is the easiest path right now? The rich think about 10 years from now. 20 years. 50 years. They make decisions today that their future self will thank them for. This is called long-term thinking, and it is the foundation of every great fortune ever built. Amazon did not make a profit for its first 9 years. 9 years. Jeff Bezos was laughed at by Wall Street. But he was not building for next quarter. He was building for next century. And look where Amazon is now. When you think in decades, you do not panic when the market drops. You do not quit your side project after 3 months because it has not made money yet. You do not give up on your goals because progress feels slow. You understand that wealth is not built in a day. It is built in a decade. It is built through thousands of small, boring, consistent decisions that nobody sees, until one day. Those are the 7 money rules the rich follow that the poor were never taught. Pay yourself first. Never look rich. Build multiple income streams. Invest before you spend. Value time over money. Learn to say no. And think in decades. You do not need to be born rich to become rich. You just need to follow the rules. Now here is your challenge. Pick just one of these rules. Just one. And start applying it today. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Today. If this video opened your eyes, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We post new videos every week to help you build the wealth mindset you deserve. Share this with someone who needs to hear it. Your future starts with the decision you make right now.